So in this video, I'm gonna answer this question. So the question says, how do you get the browser to refresh automatically when you make a change in VS Code? So on VS Code, if you click on this little icon, you are going to see the extensions. So one click on the extensions, and right here you can search for extensions. So I have some extensions installed already. So I'm going to search for this extension. So live preview. If you type in a live preview, you'll notice that this one, you see the one with the blue icon, and it's made by Microsoft. So you can click on install. So when you click on install, you will be able to basically close this, all right, and just collapse this window, all right, just like that, and then click on the Explorer. So if you click on it, you are going to see all of your files. So I'm going to click on this specific HTML file. So let me see which one I want to open. So I'm going to click on this one, for example, and I'm going to click on this little thing in the middle. So if you click on it, you'll notice that it's going to show you that page. And right here, you see whenever I make a change, it's going to update it live. So for example, let me get rid of this. You see it has taken care of it and it's been updated. So I'm going to say age 1 here, and let's say welcome to my web. You see that now you are going to see the page updates live. So this is going to answer this question: how do you get the browser to refresh automatically when you make a change in VS Code? I hope that this answers the question. If not, if you want the browser to be updated, if you want to view this page on a web browser, you can copy this line. All right, so copy this link. So I'm going to click on it and go to copy and open any browser. Right here, you can paste that there. You see now it's the same thing. And whenever you make a change here, so let me style the age 1 element. So I'm going to say age 1 and add some styling to it. So you see, if I view it on the browser, it's going to be refreshed. You don't have to click on refresh every time when you make a change. All right, so I hope this video was helpful, everyone. I hope that you liked the video and subscribe to my channel.